Hello everyone, this is Jeff again. We're going to talk today about how to put together an APA citation that you find for an article in JSTOR. Now JSTOR, they don't really have such a great citation creator such as EBSCO has, so we're going to kind of use their citation thing, but just be aware we're going to have to do a lot of editing to it. So we can go to View Citation. I'm going to copy this here, highlight this, copy it. I'm going to go into my Word document. I've already got it set up for an APA page where there's references at the top. I'm going to paste this in, and as you can see, it's pretty messed up. So what we're going to do, these authors, this needs to go first before the title. So we're going to take these authors. I'm going to cut this, go up here, and I'm going to paste it in before the title. And and this, we'll have to bring the title back up to this line, but you can see the authors are pretty messed up. The last name needs to go first and then the first initial. So I'm just going to look and see what it is. B, I'll just cut that, put that here, put a comma, take the K, that should go at the end of prior, that name there, do a comma. GM should go at the end of Loper, comma, GM, comma. This and in APA style should be an ampersand. And let's take a look here, and check J. Okay, and the J should go at the end there because that's the first initial. Okay, so there we go. We got the authors in there now. Okay, now we get the title. Now the title we can just bring up. I'm just going to hit delete and bring that up there. Now in APA, the title, only the first word should be capitalized unless they're proper names. So we're going to take these words where everything's capitalized here and bring this down so everything's lowercase except the first word in there. Okay, bees scavenge airborne bacteria. Okay, we've got that in. And we should have a period at the end there. There we go. Okay, now the name of the journal, that's right, that should be in italics there. I'm going to take italics off then. After the name of the journal, there should be a comma. Then we should have the volume and the issue. We don't need vol in there, just the number. And then for the volume number. Then the issue in parentheses like that. And oh, you know what? I forgot to put the year. In APA, after the last author, there should be a year. I see 2000 right there. We don't need the month. I'm going to put 2000. There we go. And after the 2000, there should be a period after that parenthesis. Okay, we got that. Let me bring the journal back up there. We've got the volume. We've got the issue. We can get rid of this now, and it's so specific, and this is why I use one of the cheat sheets I have online or use the APA manual. All these little commas and periods should have that. For the pages, which we have there, we don't need to put PP or page or anything at the beginning, so we'll just take that out. 314 to 321 looks good. Now in APA, we need to at the end say where we got this from if we don't have a DOI, digital object identifier. Okay, then we don't with this one, so we're going to say retrieved from, and then you put this in, http://www.jstor.org. That's enough there. Okay, so after all that, we've got all the text we need. Let's fix this text now. It's in the right font here, that's good. Let's go to paragraph and see if this will let us do what we need to do. The margin, that's right, the indentation. Should be a hanging indent. Let's see if it does it. Yeah, it did it. Okay, it did that. We'll make it double spaced. Don't add extra space. And there we go. There's the citation. Okay, so let's see. Looks like maybe I added a little extra space there after that period. There we go. So it takes a little doing. It takes a little doing to put together a citation from JSTOR. And sometimes the APA, sometimes it won't take the hanging indent, and we're something about JSTOR's formatting. But that citation worked out pretty well. That's a good looking APA citation there. Let me know if you have any questions about how to do this. And this is one database, at least right now, that isn't too citation creation friendly. Anyway, that is how you do it. Let me know if you have any questions on this. I'd be more than happy to go over this with you one-on-one. And this is Jeff signing off.